Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break number 757,757. We're opening two boxes of Upper Deck SP Game US 13-14 hockey. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended June 11th. That's at 9:29 p.m. And according to timeanddate.com, it is currently 20 past 1 p.m. Friday, June 12th. That's Eastern Time, local time in Toronto, Ontario. Our first box number is 221, 435, 294. Second box number is 221, 430, 135. We've got 5 cards per pack, 5 pack per box, total of 2 boxes to open. First box, 13-14 SPGA. Break 757. Time flies when you're having fun. Empty box, piece of foam backing, 5 packs. First pack. Make it a little cleaner here. Better. Okay, a couple of bases. Wow. Quad. Jersey. We've got Alex Galchenyuk, Brendan Gallagher, Jared Tinaldi, and Nathan Beaulieu. Wow, nice hit from Montreal. Quad rookie fabrics. That's a good start. Let's find more. Next bag. Oh, nice colors. Game used jersey for Pittsburgh, Maxim Talbot. 2-color jersey. Next. Do a small adjustment here. Okay. Game used jersey, PA Paranto for Avalanche. Rookie fabrics, Alex Galchenyuk and Brendan Gallagher. Another hit from Montreal. Dual rookie jerseys. And we're down to our last pack of our first box. Jared Tinaldi. Draft day marks. Rookie auto unnumbered for Montreal. Out of 35. And that's our first box. Clean up here. Clean round screen. Second box. Just like to mention that we've got 6 box breaks ending tonight between 8 and 10:30 p.m. We got some Upper Deck Artifact 13-14. We've got another SP Game used tonight, identical to this one. A 4-box Titanium 14-15 ITG Ultimate Vault. More appeal all the time on Box Breakers. We've got empty box, piece of foam, 5 bags. Here we go. First pack, rookie jersey, Jordan Schroeder, Vancouver. It feels extra thick. See what we got. we've got, oh, this is a 5 jersey with the, okay, let's get the bases out of the way here. I knew it was a little thicker than usual. We've got Alex Ovechkin, Mikael Nervit, Mike Green, Brenton Tolby, and Nicholas Backstrom. Wow, what a nice hit for Washington. And the certificate, the COA, that goes with the card. Nice hit for Caps. Okay, next. If you're a Caps fan, that's the 5 players you want. Okay. We got triple jersey, Steve Yzerman, Pavel Datsyuk, and Danny DeKeyser. I think it's a past, present, and future. Detroit. Nice hit, triple jersey. Nice hit for Wings. Sorry. Thomas Hickey for Islanders, gold rookie autograph card. And we're down to our last pack of our 2-box break. Game used jersey for Kings, Slava Voinov. And that's our 2-box. We'll clean up and we can do a quick recap of our hits. Okay, here we go. Extra careful. Jersey card for Kings, gold rookie auto Islanders, triple jersey card. 3 great players. For Detroit, we've got a 5-card jersey. For Washington, with the certificate, I'll be sure to mail with it. Jordan Schroeder rookie jersey. Vancouver, nice draft day mark for Montreal. Another dual jersey for Montreal. 2 great players, Galchenyuk, Gallagher. Jersey card, Colorado. Cool jersey card for Penguins. Quad rookie fabric for Montreal. So that concludes our break number 757 of 2-box of SP Game Used 1314. Be sure to check out our other box breaks tonight between 8 and 10:30. My name is Gilles. We thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.